Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and today I'm back with a Steamplex MoistureStyler collaboration. I'm going to use WrapCurl's Halo Kit. Also, I'm going to roller set my hair with the Curls and Wave Kit. Most importantly, give you the main benefits of using Steamplex and why it's so important in our hair journey to have something like WrapCurl. So if that is something you'd enjoy, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and let's get started. Starting with the Curls and Wave Kit, you receive 8 rollers, hair clips, a spray bottle to put your water in, and a microwavable pod, and of course, the instructions. WrapCurl's founder and CEO grew up in Nigeria, and as you can see, Miss Natasha has long, beautiful, healthy, relaxed hair. She also has a formulating background, so go check her out on Instagram. Okay, as you can see, the first step is to put your 4 rollers in the pod and spritz it with water 4 to 6 times. After that, based on the strength of your microwave and how many rollers you have in your pod will determine how long to microwave your rollers, but don't exceed 2 minutes. Off to the microwave. When Steamplex is heated, those droplets of moisture are released, generating slow, continuous, fine steam and heats up for 25 minutes. See that steam? Starting out with freshly shampooed, deep conditioned, and blown dry hair, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into 3 sections in true roller set fashion. I'm going to start out by misting my section with some water. This is not to drench your hair. A light mist will do because you want at least 20% of water in your hair at any given time. And then I'm going to follow that up with some hair serum. I am using Kenya Moore, and that step is completely optional. You do not have to use a hair serum if you don't want to. Those that follow the channel have heard me speak about these rollers so many times since I first used them at the top of the year. I love Steamplex damage-free curl technology, where low heat and moisture can coexist to enable you to obtain softness, hydration, prevent brittleness, ultimately helping you retain length while giving you beautiful bouncy curls. So how are we getting shine, softness, hydration, and style? Well, intelligent mineral bead technology. It sucks the moisture from the air and stores it in tiny droplets within the roller, generating slow, continuous, fine steam. The micro steam deeply penetrates the hair, delivering moisture into the cuticles, infusing the hair with hydration and conditioning and softening. All right, so I'm just finishing up my roller set here, and this is the front view as well as the back view, and of course, both sides. Referring back to my instructions, if I'd like an easy curl, I'd sit for 25 minutes, a harder curl, 35, and conditioning with style up to 45 to 60 minutes. So what is it doing to my hair while I wait? Well, tourmaline crystals release negative ions that encourages your hair's cuticles to lay flat. And when the cuticles lay flat, the hair is sealed. And sealed hair retains moisture, it has a healthier shine, and the hair has more strength. We can thank the comfortable, flexible design of these rollers. The compression band compresses the hair to further seal in the cuticles, locking in moisture and shine. I love that my hair doesn't snag, pull, or dry out while in these rollers, and I'm left with shiny, bouncy curls every time. I'm a huge fan of a side part, so of course that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to use some aloe on my edges as well as a little bit more of that hair serum right at the top near my roots just to smooth that out a bit. And this is my final look. I love these curls. I mean, look at this curl, right? Okay, but anyway, this is the final look. I'm left with soft, bouncy, curly hair. And at night, all I have to do is pin curl it, or I can put the rollers back in the very next day. Let's move on to the Halo kit. I received the Halo headband, 3 short rollers, a spray bottle for my water, 2 longer rollers, as well as a microwavable drawstring pouch. And you know the instructions. According to the instructions, you are to place the 2 longer Halo rollers in the heating pouch and spritz the rollers with water 4 to 6 times before placing it in the microwave. Before heating my rollers, I wanted to go ahead and section off my hair. So I sectioned off the top portion where the shorter rollers are going to go, and I'm ready to put my Halo headband on. Because I tested this out prior to filming, and I know the strength of my microwave now, I know it's going to take a minute to a minute and a half to heat my rollers. So remember, we are looking for a nice steam, and that we have, so we're ready to set our hair. So I'm going to go ahead and attach the Velcro to my Halo headband and wrap my hair around the Halo roller. If you've ever used a flexi rod, it's similar to using a flexi rod. Once I've completed wrapping the hair around the curler and I've reached the back, I'm going to go ahead and attach the Velcro to the back portion of the Halo headband. Then I'm going to move on to my top portion, and I'm going to section that into 3 different sections. You guys are wondering if I still spritz my hair with water? Yes, I still spritz my hair with water before I roll it. Once you've rolled your hair onto the roller, go ahead and attach the Velcro to the Halo headband. Alright, I have completed installing my rollers, and I wanted to show you the back and the sides. This Velcro is so secure, it is not going anywhere. So I set for about 35 minutes, and I'm ready to take it down. You guys, do you see this curl? I'm so pumped. It's so pretty. Steamplex was able to address 3 main causes of damage and breakage, which is using excessive heat, hair dryness, and open cuticles. You're literally able to use these rollers as often as you like or as you need because WrapCurl works at a lower temperature below 212 degrees. Take a look at this graph. Water starts to boil at 212 degrees, way below the temperature of a hot tool. I used to use a curling iron on myself and others as hot as 425 or 450 degrees without even batting an eye. What I was doing was exploding any water out of the hair structure, creating dryness, cuticle damage, and ultimately breakage. Alright you guys, this is my finished look. I'm pretty happy with it. I'd like to thank WrapCurl for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget to check them out. All of the links will be in the description box down below, and until the next time, be loved.